Scangrip Uniform is a versatile and durable inspection work light that is perfect for a wide range of applications. It features a powerful COB LED with two brightness settings, 250 or 500 lumens. The uniform also has a spotlight with 175 lumens of brightness. The flashlight is easy to position during inspection work with its turnable, sturdy hook and strong built-in magnet. The hook is also designed to fit the work belt. Strong magnet at the back and the 180-degree tiltable head provides plenty of flexibility, and the IP65 dust and water protection ensures that the uniform can withstand even the toughest environments. The uniform is powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that provides up to 6 hours of operation on a single charge. It comes with a charging station and can be wall-mounted or placed on a desk. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. TME. You need it, we have it.